Today, Mary is going. So,
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi, what you can say, Manju, to Mary?
Mary, good luck to your new career and then take care always.
Yeah, I'll miss her so much. She's
What about-
hardworking, good girl.
Hard walking?
Yeah.
Okay, walking. What about you, Mr. Manju? What you can say?
She's
to Mary?
makanda.
Makanta?
Maganda.
Wakanda. Manju, what you can say?
Bye.
Very nice girl.
Very nice girl. You want to marry? Logi, ito yung kanyang boyfriend. Si Manju, the boyfriend. Boyfriend of Mary. Best of luck, Mary, to your career, okay?
Thank you, Kuya. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share Markang Pinoy.
Number one. Thank you guys and girls. God bless you.
1 year after Nuru cook one noodle last time. That's why she said I cook noodle.
I cook jollof rice.
Jewelry rice,
Yeah.
yellow rice. When? Last year, Habibi.
It is
2020.
just love my wounds.
Your moves?
Why are you taking this video?
Girls, tonight we are preparing something special again, chicken dish. Later we will know what is that dish. And the ingredient here is the chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped onions. And this is the special knife skill with
And if
our
I do like
butcher
this?
Chef Nuru, the butchers. See, she have a really nice good skills in chicken cutting.
Let me can report.
Kamarka, ito na yung sliced onion. Mga 8 pieces tong sliced onion na to. Pero mas maganda kung mga 20 pieces na onion daw, sabi nung aking master chef dito from India. This is Indian dish, chicken. What you call this one, Jack? Again, the name? Dish. Last time we made, no? What is the name? Dish? Chicken curry? Roasted chicken? Okay. This is another version of chicken curry that we will make tonight. So more onion is the better. So we put cloves, cinnamon stick. So my chef is making garam masala. Itong onion, i-mix lang natin siya ng i-mix para maging caramelize siya, golden brown. Mamaya makikita nyo kung paano. At ito naman po yung garam masala mixture na ating gagamitin. Gagawin niyang powder. I-blend po siya para maging powder na garam masala. Before we put in the blender, we'll just make it hot. This one, roast this all masala ingredients. Now this is the masala. We will blend it. This is the onion now. It's almost caramelized. Yeah. This is almond, but the original ingredients we need to put cashew nut, and we need to boil and put some cardamom. We need coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, and chili powder. Now the onion is like this already. It should be like this texture of the onion.
No need too much.
And then you add the all spices that I mentioned.
Ready.
Now we put already the all spices and also the garam masala. The last together also garam masala.
India's in the back. Pepper.
Not baking powder.
So we will add the small peppers only and salt, and then chicken powder. This is the special chicken powder from India. This is the chicken masala.
What is that?
Yeah, put.
Now when they put all the masala to the onion, is just become like look like this. So guys and girls, if you have tomato paste, you can add. Otherwise, it's okay. You can add fresh tomato. Then now we will put the chicken that we cut. The chicken cut by Master Butcher, Chef Nuru. Master Butcher. You mix the chicken with the gravy that we made. Makamarka yung curry na mga masala at onion na ginawa namin kanina. Nag-add lang kami ng water, ng tubig. Yan. Tapos nag-separate kami mag-boil ng patatas at ihahalo namin dito. So yan po mga kamarka. Indian curry. This is only the what call this one, the almond or cashew puree we put already, and some milk, and coriander leaves, fresh leaves.
And it's umami. Umami. Umami.
Last thing that you need to put is the ginger garlic paste,
Garam masala.
and the last is the garam masala. This is the last ingredient. Garam masala is the last ingredient. And the killer fragrance, or what call this one? Pregnant, not pregnant. The killer fragrance, and then the potato fragrance, masala.
It's not my mother tongue.
Okay. What is your grandmother tongue?
It's
Alright.
my father
Then
tongue.
out viewers. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this curry made by Nuru, the only chef.
You're from India? You're from India?
No, married to an Indian man.
You're married from India.